YouTube, you know what it is. You know what the business is. It's your boy L Mac, man. You tuned into Road Kingster. Check the move. I just went and got the jack from Harbor Freight. Now we finna break this bike down, and we gonna powder coat that thing. Have that thing with a sick flavor of color, and we're gonna throw some rims on that thing. You know we gonna be candy painted, switching lanes. You dig? We in motion. For sure.
Are you stupid?
Let me give y'all an overview of this bike before I bust it down. As you can see, if you can see, police. This was a police bike, and this bike ran smooth, good, look awesome. You know, I really like this color though. I really do like this color though. I might just go back with it. Like a candy blue or some shit. I don't know what color it is, but I like this color, man. You know what I'm saying? I finally got my jack. I'm happy about this. This is a good jack. If you ever guys don't have a ton of money and you want to get a decent jack, this is a decent jack. It got the screw things in the bottom so it don't go nowhere, and it got notches. It got notches in the frame, so it won't slip and the bike will fall. So that's a real good thing there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just want to give y'all a preview. This it. You will not see this bike no more, cause it's finna get bust down all the way down today. Let's get it.
I can speak the truth. My homies trappers, they don't rap, so they be speaking through me. I niggas like to play my music, she be sneaking to me.
Damn, boy. Damn.
All right, guys, I'm gonna start the video here. I got to do some recon on how I'm gonna take this cover for these handlebars off. I gotta do some recon. I don't want to break nothing. It looked like it just pops the clip out. I don't know how that come off, so I'm gonna have to find out how that comes off. I gotta find out how to get this throttle cable out. I know the throttle cable go to the throttle, so if it goes to the throttle, I'm trying to probably find the cable and unhook the cable and then probably slide out like that. But this definitely the throttle cable. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, man. Yeah, man, this Road King coming along, man. I'm gonna take these wheels off. I'm gonna take the wheels off next go around, the tank, and the handlebars, the lights, and then the next go around we're gonna take the motor and all the electronic stuff off, and then we'll be done with this bike here. Then we're gonna repaint and redo everything, and we're gonna pull that primary fluid off. We're gonna drain that primary fluid. We're gonna drain the oil and the trans fluid, and yeah, we're gonna bust this thing down, and we're gonna rebuild. We're gonna put new gaskets on it, and yeah. So tune in, man. Road King, man. If y'all want to goddamn support the channel, man, I have the Cash App underneath. If you just tuning in, man, hit that red button, subscribe. Man, we got bikes, you know what I'm saying, cars, we switching lane, we canning paint and switching lanes, man. We in motion, you hear me? Oh Lord, we in motion, you feel me? So we definitely gonna be in motion. So shit, man, just hit that subscribe button, man, and tune in for the next video, man.